Hey, this is the unboxing of the Canon FS11 16 gigabyte flash media digital camcorder. USB-S. Looks like a burrito. Burrito! I want to eat a burrito. Bean burrito. See. Packing. Unless there's something in there. Ooh. So these are wrapped up. I wonder what's in them. Oh, what I ordered. So let's open the heavy-duty bean burrito. Oh, look, tape. Oh, tape comes off. Oh, more tape. Not the cheap tape, the expensive tape. All right. Oh, one more. Oh, 3 pieces of tape. Expensive tape. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Cool. Cool. FS11 camcorder. Oops. Look at that. Will you look at that? See the reflection. Again, AV microphone input, USB, cool. Probably not a touch screen. Look at this toggle. There's a toggle thing that goes around and around and around to go up and down in whichever way. This is kind of heavy. 2000 megapixel. It's a really cool dial. Cool. Put your hand. I guess I have to tighten it because my hand's too small. Look at that. It's too small. I'm too small. Yeah, we already know that. I don't have to keep on reminding people. I'm too small. Velcro strap, so I'll be able to do that. Make it smaller to fit my hand. Oh, that feels so uncomfortable. And look, a wristband. Let's see. Battery compartment, same place as the Vixia. And look, there is a battery. Battery. Ooh. Look. It's not the same type of battery. I can't use the same battery as the Vixia. That sucks. Look, that's where the SD card slot is. Alright, so I think that's about it for this part. Canon FS11. And no, I haven't forgotten the second part, which is, it's not fitting right. AC adapter. Well, it should be at least. Look, tape. Expensive tape. Well, more than the regular cellophane tape. Is that what it's called? Cellophane. Ooh. you like that sound? Is it irritating enough? One more. Where is it? Oh, over here. Three pieces. Look at that. Now, for all you watching, don't ever do stuff like this, because look at the wire. It is so fragile. You do that, this is all copper wiring in there. And this is where you destroy stuff, and then you try to replace it, and it costs $50 for the power supply. So don't do this. Don't ever do this. This is really bad, especially for an old model. And it has a proprietary plug. Oh shoot, I can't even get this out. Look at that. Proprietary, meaning you have to buy this particular power supply, which means cost money. And you don't want to do that, or else buying something this old means nothing. Means nothing at all. So this is a bundle. This is, as when I bought it, this is the title. Canon FS11 16GB Flash Media Digital Camcorder Bundle. I don't really see that as a bundle. Bundle means, well, there's more lenses, you got a tripod, you got 5 batteries, and whatever, maybe 50 USB, 50 SD cards, but whatever or lighting. Oh, let's see, this has the same thing, I think. Oh yes, the microphone looks really cool here, and the light is right here. Now, you may want to know why I purchased something so old. Well, I saw a YouTube video. Well, actually, I did a search first, and I wanted a camcorder, a cheap camcorder that had a microphone input. And so when I saw this model being sold on Amazon, I looked it up, and I saw the specs on it, and I went, oh, that's old. But then I saw this video on YouTube. Where? YouTube. I saw a video on YouTube. And he convinced me to get it. So I bought it. Hey, it's only money, right? So that is why I purchased the Canon FS11. We'll see how good it takes as far as video goes. Now, this was quite an expensive video cam when it came out. So we'll see what if it still can hold up to our 1080p digital versions of or digital camcorders and cameras. Okay, so that's it. Later.